get ready because it is time for the 2023 Enclosure Buildoff! In case you haven't seen the first 2 years of this annual event, here is how the Enclosure Buildoff works. We have 10 amazing participants on their way here right now from all over the country, even Canada, and they will have 6 hours to decorate to the best of their ability 4-foot enclosures using only what has been provided by our sponsors. And I say only in quotation marks because our sponsors have been amazingly generous this year. We have so much more than we've ever had before. First and foremost, the enclosures themselves were donated by Custom Reptile Habitats, who we have worked with for a long time. We love Paul with Custom Reptile Habitats. And over here, the decorations to go on the inside include, oh my gosh, this is gonna take a little while.
Yes, it will. It always does.
Yeah, we have so many sponsors, I guess. First off, look at all this.
Yeah.
This is insane. Okay,
we had to add 2 more tables down there to fit everything.
Yeah, I can't believe how much has been donated.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna start over here. First and foremost, we have Bitty Bugs, who is a local isopod and springtail breeder, and they have provided a ton of isopods and the springtails, even some wood mulch to include in the enclosures if they want. Second, we have Josh's Frogs as a sponsor, who provided all of our live plants for this event. Next, we have the Bio Dude, who generously donated a ton of substrates.
All the substrates.
Yes.
They donated lights over there.
Yep, we've got lights.
They gave us BioShot, thermometer, hydrometers, slate, leaf litter, and all the...
A ton of biodegradables,
Yep.
like the Ram Sword and
This
Seed Pod.
was Pangea, right?
That's Pangea,
okay, yeah,
yep.
so it stops here.
Yes.
But still.
All of that was donated by the Bio Dude. So much substrate. It's gonna be great. Next, we have a small business called Foster's Fauna, who donated magnolia leaves as well as some other smaller leaf litter.
Oak leaves?
Yep,
Sure.
live oak. Yep. So that's all made and disinfected by them. So that was very generous of them to send some of their brand new leaf litter. Next, we have Pangea's donation, which is ginormous.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we have branches.
Wood,
we have
wood,
this
more
cool
wood.
stuff, all sorts of decor. Like this could be a cave.
Apparently Emily doesn't care about that leaf.
Things are falling on the floor. There's so much donated by them. I mean, look at this. This is epic.
That's a big piece of driftwood.
I would want this in my enclosure. I'm curious who's gonna pick this. We also have leaf litter by them. We have foliage. We've got vines provided by Pangea. Orchids. Did you know Pangea has ABG mix?
I did not know they had that.
I didn't either. Same with these new, like, cute little succulent arrangements. Those are adorable. And I am also curious to see who's gonna use these in their builds. Brand new by Pangea. Next, we have another small business called Creature Farm, who specializes in making laser engraved wood signs for various species that you can add to your enclosures. And they have all sorts of fun signs. They made a custom sign for the Enclosure Buildoff itself, which is awesome. And the participants don't know this yet, but they made customized signs for...
Oh, we can't show that.
Oh, we can't?
They don't know who's here yet.
Oh, that's
We
right.
can't show off who's coming.
Whoops, you got a sneak peek. Okay, sorry about that. But they made custom signs for all the participants. It's super cool. Over here we have an amazing sponsor as well. This is all donated by Universal Rocks, who you know we are very familiar with because we use their products throughout our entire zoo.
It brings back flashbacks to this day.
It sure does. There's ledges here donated by them. There's paneling.
There's a table skirt.
This, I don't know if the participants are gonna know they can use this, but this is an entire panel that could be a backdrop, a 3-sided backdrop if they wanted it to be. Don't know if people are gonna realize they can use this, but they can. We're gonna find out. Then over here, we have a sponsor who we've known for quite a while as well. This is from Cork Fanatics, a ton of cork bark. We've got tubes, we've got flats, we've got huge pieces of cork that can be incorporated into the build.
Did he do the branches too?
And yes, he did also incorporate these branches this year.
Right.
So that's gonna be really cool as well. A first-time sponsor, Reptile Systems, is now part of this event. They are a European-based company and they create lamps, they have heat emitters, they have basking bulbs, they even have infrared lamp units.
Yeah.
We are gonna have to check these out. I have not heard of
already
these.
opened one of those to look at it, and I haven't plugged it in to play with it, but I might do that before contestants arrive tomorrow.
So Reptile Systems has some really fancy high-tech electronics that they are providing very generously. Next we have another repeat sponsor, Exoterra. Thank you so much for donating so many fake plants. We've got realistic rock outcrops, we've got vines and water dishes, because everybody always overthinks the water dishes.
Yeah.
Nobody considers them, but that's an important part of a build.
I like the 2 bulbs. bulbs.
And 2 bulbs.
Just 2 bulbs.
I love it. That's great. You know, it incorporates some of their bulbs. It works.
Yep.
They also provided a bunch of skulls because those went over really well last year, so they wanted to toss some in and see what participants do with them. Next, we have Zoo Med. They donated a bunch of stuff as well. We've got moss. We've got more moss. We've got frog moss. All sorts of moss.
We got sticks, plants. We got a ton of moss. Like, that box is still full with all that moss.
Yeah,
so
generous. So much moss. We've got Reptisoil. We've got, the Cocoa Husk. This is from Exoterra. Yep, they donated that as well.
Oh no, they're in the Zoo Med territory. This is not good.
Oh, I think that's illegal to have those brands so close to each other. That's okay. I'm sure they're buddies. I'm sure it's okay. We also have just 2 Reptifoggers. These are a highly contested item for the builds because they add so much to the effect of your enclosure. I'm really curious who's going to get those. We have more plants by Zoo Med. Oh no! There's so much moss, it's falling over. Look at that.
There.
We have some fake plants by Zoo Med as well. And these things are brand new. Or at least to our knowledge. I don't know. Maybe they've had them for a while.
I think they've had them for a little while. They're just in their aquarium department.
Look at this! Who'd have thought the aquarium department at Zoo Med would be crossed over with reptiles so beautifully?
Yeah.
These would be awesome in the builds. Hopefully people use those. Mangrove Ritz for the win.
I will say, I think this is a new product.
Oh!
'Cause I haven't seen this before.
Oh, look at that. They're getting into leaf litter?
Yeah, apparently everybody's getting into leaf litter.
Nice.
Yep.
Oh, I like it. Zoo Med leaf litter. That's new. All right. Okay, we've got those. And then last but not least, we have lighting, which has been provided by Zoo Med in the form of their amazing Reptisun LED UVBs.
Yep.
And we also have solar grow lights donated by the BioDude.
Yep.
But what's interesting is we have 5 solar grows, 4 Reptisuns. That's only 9. One person is not going to have a full hood. This is awesome. I don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah, well, they'll just have to get a, what is it, a Reptitech?
Yep.
Reptech?
They can absolutely use masking bulbs. There we go. They're covered. It's fine.
We'll figure something out.
So along with all of these amazing products that they get to use, each participant is also allowed to bring one personal item to make their builds unique. And I'm really curious to see what personal item everybody picks. Not everybody will bring one, but if they do, it's going to make it just that much more special and personalized to that participant. So yeah, this is incredible. Thank you, amazing sponsors. We also have one more sponsor that doesn't have anything here. Actually, we have 2 more. We have VivTech, who I believe is donating some sort of techie product to the prize, or to the winners. And for the first time, we have a non-reptile sponsor, Awards by Hammond. This is a trophy company local to our area. They are providing the plaques for the winners at the end of this contest.
It still should be called Ed's Trophies.
It was originally called Ed's Trophies, which was perfect.
That's why we went there.
That is honestly why we first started using them. But now they are Awards by Hammond, and they are a sponsor of this event as well.
That's awesome. We are also a sponsor of this event because we're doing the food and the building supplies.
We've got foam. We have paint. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff, a bunch of like actual building supplies like the glue, foam, paint, sand painting supplies, tape, the basic stuff. Yeah. So that makes us a sponsor too, I guess.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, the amount of money we spent so far on this stuff, we're a sponsor.
Totally worth it though. So we have, again, some very generous sponsors. Please go support these amazing, generous, thoughtful people.
Check out all these people.
Yes.
They're all awesome.
This would not be possible without them. So thank you, amazing sponsors. So it's actually, though, like almost 11 o'clock at night. We are wiped.
We've been here since, I guess we only got here at noon.
At noon, yeah. We've only been working 11 hours, which isn't bad for us, actually. Yeah. So we're gonna go home, go to bed, come back in the morning when all the participants are here and officially introduce them all to you.
And you guys will finally get to see who's going to build off.
Okay, it's the day of the build off and all of the players are here, so let's officially introduce this year's participants. This year's players are Hunter Houck, Dave Kaufman.
Do I get a booger? Can I do this again?
No.
Bob with Green Room Pythons.
Which way do I go, you guys? Is it just down this hall? I've never been here before. Oh, it is. It is here. Hi. It is right here.
Joe with JSA Reptiles.
Hi.
Dan the Turtle Man. Mariah with ReptiFiles. Hello. John with Pangea. Tyler Rugge. Luke's Bug Adventures. Wait, what are you doing? No, don't do it. Don't do it. Where'd he go?
I don't know.
And Morgan with Ontario Reptile Rescue. All right, and now that we have a great combination of new participants and returning ones, it's time to explain how this year's challenge is going to work. All right, so like before, we are going to start the day with a challenge that will give you an advantage if you win in the build itself. Here's the challenge. As usual, you will be split up into 2 groups of 5, but this year, 4 of the team members will be blindfolded. The remaining person will be the caller, who will direct each blindfolded teammate one at a time through an obstacle course to collect boxes. After each teammate has collected 1 box and placed it on your team's mat, the caller can run through and grab the 5th and final box. Once all boxes are collected, you must untie the boxes to get keys inside. Then you'll use the keys to unlock the sword and the stone, which you'll use to chop the rope for your team sign, releasing a bag of letters. Bring the letters to your team's table and unscramble the secret word. Whichever team decodes the secret word first will be today's victor and will win first dibs on items for your enclosure build. So in a nutshell, collect boxes of keys, unlock the sword, chop the flag, and solve the puzzle. Perfect. Dave, can you explain what's next?
Yes.
That's how you get him to not
Yeah,
talk.
you can ask him questions. All right, well.
All right, so it is time to decide the teams, and just like before, we are going to draw green and black painted rocks to decide what team everybody is going to be playing for.
Perfect.
Okay, we're going to start with Dave since he's
Oh,
here.
all right. I'm standing right here. I can't look.
Can't
No.
look.
Well,
Well, I mean, it doesn't matter right now.
Wow.
You're the first one.
This feels like my trick-or-treat bag every year. Black. I was black last year.
Oh,
John?
Black is beautiful.
yes.
Great. Pick a good one. Green. Mariah's on Team Black.
Ooh, that's the good team.
Joe?
Who's black? What are you? Green? Black.
Team Black.
Yes.
All right. Oh, Bob?
Team black.
Green.
Green. Okay.
Team black, Danny. Team black. I'm
trying.
Team black.
This one.
Green.
You're done.
You have chosen poorly.
Team Black for Tyler. All right, Hunter.
Tyler, what do you got? Team black.
Feels good.
Team Green. All
Okay.
right. Luke. Team Green and Morgan. Team Black.
Team Black. All
All
right.
right. Team Black on this side, Team Green on that side. Time to strategize. Okay, so we have teams decided. Team Green, Team Black.
Team Green. Team Black.
We're gonna give them a couple minutes to decide who's gonna be blindfolded and who's gonna be the caller. There's some hardcore strategizing happening right here on Team Green. This is awesome. Team Black. Oh, I think they're voting on who's gonna be the caller. Let's see what happens. Okay, I think they've decided who's gonna be the caller and who's gonna be blindfolded.
Give
So
him
I'm
5 to 10 minutes of
Yep.
strategy.
exactly. So Team Green, who's the caller? Ooh, John. Okay, why?
right.
Why John?
I know everyone's names, and I manage people for my job. So.
Perfect.
Perfect. All right. Did you feel pretty confident in being blindfolded?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome.
Hunter just. Yes.
All right, Team Black. Who's the caller? Ooh, Morgan. All right, why Morgan?
I like bossing people around.
And she's the only one who knows what's going on. Can I use this as a blindfold?
Oh, that'll work perfectly.
I'm surprised with Dave being as loud as he is, he's not the caller.
Yeah, really.
He wasn't listening to the instructions.
Ah.
That's why. He has no clue what's
so-
happening.
Had I?
That makes sense. I think we're ready. Let's head out. We're gonna start the line here for Team Black, and here for Team Green. Oh, conga line. That was smart. Mariah's the only Team Black who made it to the line so far. There we go. Dave, that's okay. You're doing one at a time. That works. Okay, we have our callers John and Morgan over there, ready to guide their teams to victory. Are we all ready? I think so. No objections. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Dave, stop. Dave, pause. Right there, one top, left box.
Ooh, Black has 1 box. Green has a box. Yes, you can take your blindfold off.
Left?
Straight on your left foot. Straight.
Left foot.
Straight.
Green has 2 boxes.
Good.
Take left.
Go, 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 go. Green has 3.
Put your shoulder down.
Black has 4. So that means Morgan can grab the last black box. All right, so now stay in your box and untie the boxes. Untie the boxes, get the keys.
Okay.
Key.
Yeah. And then we run, right? Once you have all the keys, yep, unlock the sword and the stone. Go, 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 go. Sticking, come on.
Blue, done.
Wow, that's dedication. All right, start untying.
You're
we go. Orange, done. Move it right. Yep, pull on the right. All right. It's really close.
All right, go.
There you go. Keep going.
No, hurry.
Oh my gosh, they're there. Oh my gosh. There you go, whack it.
Whack it again. Whack it
So
again.
close. Hey! Grab the bag of pieces. Bring it to your table. Let's go.
Now pull the right side. Yep, just pull hard. There you go.
Yes!
Oh, now we get some fish.
Oh no, they got theirs. They're on their way. Orange side up.
All right, I bet it says Reptile Adventures. Yeah, let's go with that.
Knowing Emily.
Hog nose. Oh, shh, Mike, don't tell them. Come!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't know who got that. That was like.
Said it first.
That was so close. Did you hear? Did you hear who said it first?
I heard them say it first, but they didn't have it spelled out.
Yeah, we didn't have it spelled out.
So who wins?
I think black team wins. Unfortunately, it was close. I will give you guys both.
That was
credit.
so close.
But they spelled it. I don't know how to spell. I'm illiterate, Dave Kaufman.
Congratulations!
Okay, the black team was the winner, which means they get first pick on the item they want for their build. They've been scoping it out, and I think they all have an idea in mind of what they want, and a couple things might be highly contested, so we're gonna see how this goes.
The rule is you have to be touching a cage, not your cage.
Correct.
A cage. So everybody got their hands. Wait, who's all team black? Raise your hand.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This is my rock. This is I have the rock. You don't count.
Get out of here, Dan. You're not a winner. You're team green.
We gave you your chance, dude. You chose not to.
All right,
Okay.
hands on cages. Hands on cages.
Okay, 3,
On your go.
2, 1.
DQ. DQ.
2, 1, go!
All right. You can only get one right now, Dave.
Oh, just one.
Just one right now.
What? How much is one?
That item in your hand. Okay, green team, raise your hand.
Green team.
Okay, hands on cages. And go. Oh, all right. Interesting picks.
Yeah.
Interesting picks.
Picks, definitely.
Yeah, I'm surprised that one. That's a good pick.
John knew that was an item to use.
Yeah, I was totally expecting him not to know, or nobody to realize that.
It's unlimited now. The
Yeah, you
build.
can grab as much as you want.
You have 6 hours to complete your build, starting in 5, 4, hand on cage, 3,
Hand on a cage.
2, 1,
Go.
begin. All right, we are going to end part 1 right here, and we're gonna leave you hanging. So stay tuned for part 2 coming out next on Snake Discovery, where you will see all of their completed builds, and you will get to vote on your favorite enclosure. Who do you think's gonna win? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned for part 2 coming out very soon. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Thank you Patreon backers for your amazing support as always, and Rex, oh wow, you're full sploot mode. You've got both legs out. Oh, you're so cute, Rex. Who do you think's gonna win?